Alright guys, so the classic BMW 325i is ready. I know it doesn't look so, but we got all the lights back in. The customer wants to do Yeeooo bumpers, so that's why the bumpers look like they're in bad shape. Honestly, I don't even know what Yeeooo bumpers look like, so if you do, put a picture in the comments. I'd like to see them because I don't have time to do it myself. But anyway, this is done. I'm cleaning up the moldings. That's why the moldings are not on yet. But being that he wants to do Yeeooo bumpers, I would suppose that he wants to put on new moldings. I'm waiting for his call back, so I could just verify for sure that he does not want those same old moldings back on. But in the meantime, I'm cleaning them up anyway. And here they are with the tape, so we could avoid it, but these are no good. You can see the rubber seals and inner moldings they're shot. So I don't think that he'll want to put these back on, but we're going to do it, clean them up anyway as best we can. So, but as you see, yeah, these things are trash. As El Jefe would say, basura. Better yet, I'm going to leave these things in the sun because it's still hot out here. Let the sun bake them so it's a little easier to get this tape off. And today, ladies and gentlemen, is the last day for the classic BMW 325i. This thing is ready to go. We just pushed it to the front. As you can hear, I'm out of breath. And we're just waiting on the tow truck now. Once that tow truck gets here, saying bye-bye. Sorry about that, guys. It's 105 degrees out here, and these batteries on these cameras do not last in the heat. And there she goes, finally.
Thing coming together. And Miguel, come here. So you and Ma, come here.
So yeah, the countdown it's already officially begun. But now the countdown is Ross Clyde. The countdown is down to its final moments. So we officially have until Friday. It's hot out here, y'all. But we have until Friday to have all these cars out of here. I don't know where I'm gonna bring my cars as of yet, but I think I'm gonna try to squeeze them in at the crib. Oh wow, my battery still is in here. So remember I told you guys all the batteries got stolen out of a lot of these cars here? I thought my battery got stolen, but lo and behold, I took put up the hood and it's still in here. Thank goodness. Well, I know for sure the one out of the Nissan, that's for sure gone. What happened to the power? positive. Okay, here it is. Hold on, let me get this together, y'all. All right, I got the battery connected. Let's see if this will start up. I seriously doubt it, but we're gonna try anyway. All right, give it a couple of taps. And let's see. Ooh, that's hot. Goodness gracious, that's hot. Woo! Ross Clot.